Hi, I'm Nikki Shaw. There are so many ways to use VELVEETA to make your recipes golden. Today, I'll show you how to make comfort food at its finest. VELVEETA's down-home macaroni and cheese. My oven is preheating at 350. Next, I'll add 3 tablespoons of butter to my saucepan. After my butter is completely melted, I'll whisk in my flour. I'll cook this for about 2 minutes, stirring constantly. This looks good. Now I'm ready for 1 cup of milk. I'll bring this to a boil, then I'll cook it for about 3 to 5 minutes until it thickens. This is thickened nicely. Now it's time to add my VELVEETA. I've cut it into cubes. I'll cook this for about 3 minutes, stirring it frequently until everything's nicely melted. I'll add my cooked macaroni. Now I'll just make sure everything is blended together nicely. I've already added my macaroni mixture to my 2-quart casserole dish that I've sprayed with nonstick spray, of course. Next, I'll add KRAFT shredded cheddar cheese. Now I'll add this mixture of RITZ Crackers and melted butter just for a little added crunch. I'll pop this in the oven for about 20 minutes until it's heated through. How delicious does this look? For more comfort food recipes made with the liquid gold of VELVEETA, check out VELVEETA.com.